Hi, my name is Edelman. I'm the chef at the Mermaid Inn on the Upper West Side of New York City. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of our signature dishes. It's a really traditional lobster sandwich. So I have my cooked lobsters here, and these are about 1.5 to 2 pound lobsters. They're perfect for your house. To deal with it, you want to have it chilled a little bit, cook it, and then you can put it in an ice bath for a minute or two so it's not too hot. And you have 2 claws on each one. Just rip it off from the body and then separate the arm from the claw. So there are very few steps to this, but you have to know what to do. And then rip the tail right off the body. So this is what it's going to look like when it's done. To get the meat out of the tail, lay it out flat. And take a really sharp knife and just cut straight through. It's going to separate, and you can just pull the meat right out. Okay? You can wash this off a little bit. Don't use water. Just take your fingers and clean it out a little bit. Then I have the knuckles, which a lot of people say are the best part. The meat's hard to get to. We're going to do the same thing here. You can also use scissors, a pair of sturdy scissors, and just cut through the shell. You just open it up and take all the meat out. And then finally the claw. This is kind of fun because you get a chance at greatness every time. You want to wiggle this little thumb out, and sometimes you'll be able. Well, this is a little too much, but there's a filament that's attached to this piece, and sometimes it'll be stuck on here, and that's exactly what you want. If not, you have to make sure that you get it out of the meat. So for this part, take the back of the knife, just give it a kind of halfway through and twist it. And then you can shake the meat out, pull it out. If you have a little lobster fork or, shellfish fork, the small, thin ones, they can go right in there. So that's what you've got. We just have our meat, which we're just going to chop up really lightly. Feel for little pieces of cartilage from this part of the claw. You don't want it too chopped. That's perfect. So, like I said, it's really simple, and the most important part is the lobster itself. Put a little bit in a bowl. We have a little mayonnaise. Some celery, a little bit of chive, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. I'm going to take a lemon, squeeze the lemon right in. I'll give it a little more. Some salt. And then just fold everything into the lobster meat. The amounts of everything you can use whatever you want. You can use less mayonnaise, more mayonnaise, celery. You can put red onion in there. Anything that you want. We here at the Mermaid Inn try to do it as simply as possible, and we never have any complaints about this. We're pretty much ready to plate it. Grab a plate. Here is our toasted brioche. Just put it right down there. Just put the lobster meat in. cover it up, and we serve it with Old Bay fries. Old Bay is a spice mix from Maryland, and it was originally used for crab and seasoning for boiling crab and shrimp and things like that. But that was about 80 years ago, and we've done a lot of research into the many uses of Old Bay, and this is one of them. So we got the fries, the lobster sandwich, a little bit of malt vinegar, and that's it. Ready to go, the lobster sandwich.